Have you heard the news? If you sell on Amazon or eBay, you need to watch this next video. Hey guys, Ken here. Welcome back to the channel. Big news breaking all over the internet on two major fronts. You know, I don't usually do these kind of breaking news types of stories. I like to try to concentrate on things that will help you make more money on eBay, you know, selling postcards. But these stories are just too huge to ignore. I don't know, unless you've been living under a rock lately, you may or may not have heard of this. One involves Amazon and one involves eBay. So let's start with Amazon first. Sometime this past week, I don't know exactly the date, but Amazon reported that it has suspended 50,000 accounts, all coming from China. And the reason for the suspension, from what I read in my research, is the fact that these companies or these merchants or whatever that were on Amazon were actually dishing out fake reviews on their products and generating fake reviews on their products just so they could get people to buy more of their products. They were providing all these fake reviews to make themselves look better than they were. And I guess that's against Amazon policy. Might even be illegal, I don't know. But anyway, because of it, they got caught, and 50,000 accounts are now gone just because they can't keep things honest. You know, just unbelievable. Now, let's talk about eBay. Since I deal with eBay, this might hit home for you. eBay, within the last 24 hours, I'd say, I saw it on YouTube. Somebody broke the story that eBay has suspended the account of one of their top sellers in cards. Now, before you get all nervous, it's not postcards. Whew. Okay. This was a seller that was selling trading cards, you know, sports trading cards. And they were one of the biggest accounts on eBay, if not the biggest. And they made millions of dollars for their company and millions of dollars for eBay. I mean, I think they had over 100,000 listings. I don't know how big a store that would be if they had just one store. I don't know. But hundreds of thousands of listings. And their account got suspended. And all their listings got taken down, stripped. And, you know, you need to understand something. This isn't something where if you have an account or if you have a listing taken down, it goes into the unsold items folder. If it gets taken down off of eBay, it's taken down off the website. You can't recover it. According to reports that I've read online, their account was suspended because of something called shill bidding. And shill bidding is when you place an auction, a listing, an auction, and you start bidding on that item yourself to inflate the price. Now, it can come from either you or it can come from one of your friends, you know, but basically the whole concept is that you are bidding on your own items, which is a blatant violation, first of all, of eBay policy. That's never been, that's always been in there ever since eBay started. And I also found out that it's illegal. Okay, let me give you an example. Like this camera. Okay, this is a GoPro Hero 7 Black camera that I use on some of my videos. Let's say this was $100. You know, you check the comps and you find out that it was selling for around $100. Well, what shill bidding does is that they start bidding on it, and you start bidding on your own item, and they try to force people into a bidding war and get that item price up to like maybe $500 or $600 or $700, and then the person that wins the auction has to pay 5 or 6 or 7 times more than the item is actually worth. You know, unfortunately, there's a philosophy in business that, and I've stated this before, and too many businesses, it doesn't matter whether it's online or offline, follow this philosophy. Not everybody, but a lot of businesses do. And that is, they live under the philosophy that it's only illegal if you get caught. I mean, a lot of these big conglomerates, I mean, you see it every day in the news. You know, these big mega companies Fortune 500 companies that get caught doing something illegal, and then they go, oh, no big deal, let's just contact our lawyers and, figure out a settlement deal. We'll just settle out of court and pay it off. I don't know what, write a check, and then we'll just move on and just do the same thing all over again. If you run a business, keep it honest, keep it ethical, okay? If you make a mistake, own it. Your customers will appreciate it more. Even if you have to take a loss, own it. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you. You've worked too hard and too long to build your business to have somebody like eBay. Because you got to remember, if you're selling on eBay or even on Amazon, you don't own those platforms. You got to obey their rules. And if you don't obey their rules, they have the right to shut you down and just completely take you off the platform and ban you from the site to where you never can sell from them ever again. That's why I have so much repeat business, because my customers know I do them right. If I make a mistake, I own it. If I offer great, outstanding customer service. I ship lightning fast. I'm trying to think of the way my customer would feel. I'm trying to think the way I would feel if I was a customer. Kind of put yourself in their shoes and just do what's right. And I think you'll have the greatest success you've ever had. It may take time, because building any business is not easy. It's not something that you can just, not like hitting the lottery or anything, where you're going to become a millionaire overnight. But you just keep at it. You keep working at it every day, and it gets better and better. This morning, like, for instance, I know we're in kind of a summer slump, slow down a little bit, but I'm so disciplined in my business that I just put my head down and go to work every day. I do get tempted, just like everybody else. Sometimes I get tempted not to go to work, especially if you haven't made sales in a couple of days. You go like, oh. What happens is my discipline kicks in, and I put my head down and I go to work. And I did that this morning, and I got 4 sales from the same person. I got 3 right out of the gate at 8 o'clock. And then as I was pulling those orders and, putting them together, I heard the phone cha-ching again. And now I'm thinking, well, it could have been somebody else. I didn't even think it was the same person. It was the same person. They bought a 4th card. They bought a bunch of airplanes. I've told you in previous videos, older airplanes are great sellers. Well, he bought, I think it was 2 TWAs, 1 Pan Am, and 1 Piedmont. And 3 of them were on the ground, I think. One was maybe 2 were in the air and 2 on the ground. But, he loves aircraft. He loves aviation. Maybe he was a pilot. Maybe he worked for one of these airlines. I don't know. All I know is he paid $9.25 per postcard. So I made almost $40 this morning, right out of the gate, right at 8 o'clock. I believe hard work will pay off. You just got to believe in what you're doing. Be honest, be ethical, own your mistakes, and people will see that and they'll come back and they'll buy from you. I get more repeat business than I can think of. I don't get a ton of it, but I get quite a bit of people coming back and buying from me again, where they could buy off somebody else for cheaper. But they don't know those people, and they've never done business with them before, but they have done business with me, and I've treated them right. I've looked out for their best interests, and that's why they keep coming back to me. I'm just saying, this is who I am. This is the way I roll. This is the way I've always been in business. I want to bring you this breaking news and just encourage you, stay honest, stay ethical, keep your business above board no matter what. It will reward you in the long run, and you'll have great success. And that's my hope and my prayer for you. Listen, I got to go. If you've gotten anything out of this video, just smash that like button. I appreciate it. It helps the channel. And thank you to all my new subscribers. My new subscribers on YouTube are growing daily. I love it. But yeah, I got to go. You guys have a great day. Stay safe out there. And we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye for now.